Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming currency and space. You need roughly 15 million BLE or its equivalent, one free inventory slot, and a level high enough to interact with fruit trades. Once done, hop servers to find a dough fruit spawn or a seller. Make sure to watch spawn timers and vendor locations, then position yourself near fruit spawns. Move quickly when you see dough. You'll need to act before other players pick it up, so be prepared to click and confirm purchase immediately. After grabbing dough, prioritize permanence. Open your inventory, locate the fruit, and check the protection options. If you plan to convert to Perm, you must either trade it or buy a permanent slot. Many players use private servers to avoid interference. Use teleport or server hop tactics if someone contests the pickup, because once dropped it can despawn. If trading, confirm terms and confirm the exchange. Verify the other player's reputation to avoid scamming. And finalize permanence by using the game's permanent conversion, either the in-game option or an approved vendor trade. Then immediately check your inventory to confirm the dough shows as permanent. Once it's marked, relog to ensure the server saved your change, because desyncs happen. If it's not permanent after relog, review trade receipts or logs and retrace steps. Often a quick server reconnect or support ticket fixes it. If you encounter a suspected scam or bug, collect timestamps and screenshots before contacting moderators for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.